Hello everyone and welcome back. In this, the 9th episode of our Overlanding Scotland series, we spend a few hours hiking the Old Man of Storr, an ancient landslide and one of the most photographed landscapes in the world. So sit back, relax, subscribe and let's get going.
Today we are off to the Old Man of Storr, an ancient landslide creator that is absolutely stunning.
I think it's over there.
In the distance.
Somewhere over there. So we're going to go get out the van for a change and go for a little hike. You ready to go on another little hike, Miles?
Yeah, so I was bored ready. I am the best dog in the world to do another this.
So we're going up there, and you can see the view from down in the car park. That's Rassay over there, and the mainland. Very pretty. We've done the first little ascent. Pretty steep, but not too bad. Definitely overdressed. Yeah. Big fleeces on and that, but you know, Scottish weather can change in an instant. Look at the ferry pools the other day. It was just started chucking it down, didn't it?
Yep.
Absolutely drenched through on the walk back. Hey Milesy. We're going up there. Oh, that breeze is nice. Drying the backpack off from yesterday. It got soaked.
Yeah, we need one of these little bags of cleaning.
Yeah, a little over bag. Where are you going? We're going this way. Marla likes going fast down hills, but she seems to keep pace with us going up. It looks like you can go either up that way or around that way. Right there, look.
Oh, yeah.
Either up there or where those people are walking up there. It looks like the majority of people are going that way. Warning, rock slides.
Helpfully covered up by people.
You just slipping your way through, Miles?
Yes. I'm having a sniff. You're not going to like this bit more.
Stairs, Marla, it's your favourite. Sure, we're going to feel this in our quads later.
How about now?
That's the Old Man, I believe. To any of our YouTube viewers, we are not fit enough for this. He says as a 60-something-year-old man just runs down the hill. Right, we can either go up this way or go up this way. It's up to you.
I don't mind. This way.
This way?
I was going this way.
This way, yeah, this way. Oh, Marley, you're taking us up big steps. No more steps for a while, that's nice. It's brutal on the quads.
Yeah.
Wow. God, doesn't it look like it's going to fall on you?
Yeah.
Get a bit of vertigo looking up at that.
I'm glad people are saying it's hard and it's not just me being like really unfit.
Yeah.
Oh, why are you tangling me up, dog? Pirouette. Miles, Marla, don't drag me off the edge, you little bastard. Come on. I'd rather not have to get the mountain rescue to come airlift us off. I am not a mountain man yet. If Rob was here, he'd have run up and down it twice by now. It's like, yes, it's flat. Oh, that's so much easier. Oh, what a dream to have flat ground. It's around there, isn't it? We don't have to go down, we can just keep going around there, around this bit. Yes, Marla, around here. I'd rather not go down than back up again. If we can help it. Marla, it's up the hill.
Oh, what a beer.
We've got plenty of beer back at the van. Pretty high up.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. You can hear the crows up there. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Come on up. Good girl. Last little bit, Miles. And it's all downhill, mostly. There we go, we're at the top. Whew. All right.
Hiya.
Hi there, how you doing?
Just go all the way around, is it?
I've no
We're
idea.
not sure.
We've literally come from there and done
All right.
about 100 yards.
We should drive and explore.
Mountain Marla. It kind of stops. No, we're gonna go back. The path doesn't go anywhere, Miles. Come back. We'll walk back the way we came. Marla, back this way. Come on. I know you don't like going backwards, but... Oh, Marla, come back. Save you guys a trip. It goes about 100 yards and there's no more path.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Trey. Oh, she's done really well, hasn't she?
Yeah.
She's a proper trooper.
She really slept tonight. But as soon as you get in the car,
Oh
ahead
yeah,
of
she'll
me,
be straight into the duvet.
look at her! You are gorgeous.
Are we going this way, Marla?
Yeah.
You take the lead. But you have the lead, Chris, in your hand.
Alright.
Is he dead? Yeah, he's alright. Is he dead? I think he's dead. Whoa. I actually feel it in my quads more coming down than I did going up.
Oh, that's what they're saying, that going down's harder than going up.
I always thought that was the thing that people said as they're walking up a hill to make you feel better.
No, my
It's
dad's always said it like,
I know it's harder on the knees.
yeah, he's got a dodgy knee, hasn't he?
She loves to go on her own little path, doesn't she? Until she... Marla, come down. Good girl. But not all the way down there. God, what's she like? We got to climb, Marla. Come on, you can do it.
You're a mountain dog now.
This way. She's trying to find a route. Okay, you go that way. We'll go this way. Don't pull me down.
Wait for us now, wait.
Thought I was...
like, hear your heart beating in your ear.
Yeah.
I was having a few moments like that, like Jesus Christ.
Thought I might have a shark attack after that coffee earlier.
They did make it strong.
Oh yes.
She did ask me, like, do you want it strong? I was like, yeah.
It's probably why I've got the energy to get up this hill. That looks like it's going to fall over, right?
Yeah. It's terrifying. That's a pretty good view, though.
Yeah. It's worth the hike up, isn't it, just for that view. Marla. Stop trying to suicide, dog.
He's like, I don't love walking.
Yeah, I'm going to take the direct route down there.
I'll meet you guys at the top.
Excuse the big mark on my forehead. That's from wearing this camera. We're running out of battery now, but we've still got a fair ways to go, trekking back down to the car park. But this was the Old Man of Storr on Skye, and we hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you enjoy this sort of content and would like to see more, why not give the video a thumbs up? And if you really enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.